one baxi boiler. Okay.
Yeah.
We show you how to use the timer at a close up करो ठीक है it says there off and middle in timer okay
Okay.
at a close on us okay
Carry on.
okay picture there's a timer there's a continue or check heating hot water heating temperature okay
Yeah, okay.
okay
Yeah.
and there's timer in the middle like you want to put it 8 to 9 you can set timer what's the time is now
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock okay
Yeah.
you can put it 9 to 10 okay that comes on okay
Yeah.
check in video with you going on YouTube okay
Okay. Yeah.
you understand
That's fine. Yeah, I will understand now.